Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today back with the XR8, fixing the stereo, fitting new parts. In the last episode we tied up the front end, check out that video, but today we've got an actual leather steering wheel cover, because around here my steering wheel is still good, but it's at the point where it's just starting to wear, so they can blow out a bit once you let them go. So we're just going to chuck a cover on that before we can get a new wheel later on down the track. But yeah, we'll chuck a leather one on that. Now secondly, what we got here is a Momo gear knob. Now you've got the red stitching down there. This is the factory one they brought out in the GT. Bought one of them, so that'll be pretty cool to fit up. So we got that too. And last of all for today, we're going to hook up some 5.8 5x8 speakers for the front, because we've already got 6x9s in the back, which is pretty funny once we go and have a look there. But we're going to chuck them in the front, and we've got to fix up what's going on in the back, and we'll show you what's going on there. Alrighty, so having a look underneath here, if you go, you pull these little tabs out here, but we should be able to just have, there we go. If you look, we got 6x9s, but apparently previous owner, not my brother, decided they wanted to put bigger speakers in, and that's how they decided to do it. But the 6x9s have been chucked in, and they're also not bolted down. So what we're going to do is we'll bolt them down so they don't rattle when you turn it up. We'll chuck the 5x8s in the front, and we should be good. But yeah, we'll fix up what's going on underneath there. And yeah, that's the job for today. And also in a future video, we're changing the whole upgraded ICC unit. You change the BCM box over, and then we just head to the audio shop for 70 bucks. They recode it to the car. But when we install this, it'll just come up with code. But we're going to do that on another day. I think I might do a video on that just on its own. But we've got this stuff to do today. Let's get stuck into it. Just don't feel the same. Like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, but that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night, fight in the dark till we see the sunlight, my love, it's you and I. So what we had in here was some Pioneer 6 inches, which is actually a downgrade from factory because they're 5x7s. So we'll replace them with the nice kickers we got over here. And yeah, they weren't mounted in well, so they're rattling as well, so that was half the problem. So yeah, we'll get them mounted up and keep it going. Like your life inside a car, forget the world and drive real far. So we finished up the fronts, it's all working good. Now we're moving on to the backs. We're gonna have to pop the covers off. We'll go from there. Well, there you have it. We managed to get the front speakers mounted in, the 6x8s. We've got the 6x9s in the back mounted up. As you would have seen, it was pretty hacked up at the back there, so
getting them actually mounted was a bit of a mission. We got that done and it sounds like 100 times better. So yeah, bit of a win there. And obviously, not only that, we actually used some of the kicker screws to mount up that bottom lip up properly, so that's fully mounted now, so that's good. And yeah, pretty happy with the steering wheel cover. It actually sort of matches what was already underneath it. And yeah, the new Momo gear knob. We've still got some more repairs to do on the seats, a few trim stuff, but yeah, we've come along pretty good. Now I'm pretty happy with the progress today. So more to come with RIPIN, the XR8. We still got the shaky kits to come. And yeah, just generally making this thing better and bringing it back up to what it should be. So, as always guys, thanks for watching. Till the next one, see you later.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling